The second type of basic documents, transport documents. Transport documents are documents that represent the goods in transport or prove the goods have been received for ship transport. The type of transport document depends on transportation methods. According to transportation methods, transport documents have bills of lading, seaway bills, airway bills, road or inland waterway transport documents, cargo receipts, railway bills, courier receipts, and post receipts, etc. Among those various transportation documents, bills of lading is most important and also our focus. We'll explain in details later. First, we'll briefly talk about the other type of transportation documents. Seaway bills or ocean way bills is issued by the shipping company covering port-to-port shipment. Compared to bills of lading, seaway bills are not a title document. It can only act as receipt of goods and transportation evidence. Airway bills are a document issued by the air carrier, evidencing shipment or dispatch or receipt of goods. When the goods are dispatched by railways, a cargo receipt or a railway bill may be issued. A courier receipt or post receipt is a document issued by a courier, expedited delivery service, or the postal service, evidencing receipt of goods for delivery to a named consignee. Similar to seaway bills and airway bills, the other transport documents all act as receipt of goods and transport contract. They are not as a title document. Among all of these transportation documents, we'll introduce bills of lading in details, which is most widely used in international trade and settlements. First, let's look at the definition. A bill of lading is a document issued by a carrier to a shipper, signed by the captain, engine, or owner of a vessel, providing written evidence regarding receipt of the goods, the conditions on which transportation is made, and the engagement to deliver goods at the prescribed port of destination to the lawful holder of the bill of lading. From this definition, we can see bills of exchange have three main functions. First, it is a receipt of goods from the shipping company to the exporter. This means the carrier needs to deliver the goods specified in the BL to the consignee at the port of destination. Secondly, bills of lading is an evidence of the transport contract for carriage between the exporter and the carrier. This requires the carrier to conform to the contract and transport the goods. Thirdly, bills of lading act as a document of title to goods being shipped. The goods will be released from the port only against presentation of original bill of lading. The title document also makes bills of lading an important financing collaterals in trade and settlements. A bill of lading usually embodies the following items or elements: the name and addresses of those parties related to the transported goods, descriptions of goods, shipping details, and the date and the place of issuance. The entities related to transported goods include the carrier, the shipper, the consignee, and the notified party, if any. Here, one thing to remember: the date of issuance should be the date of goods shipped on board. This is a requirement by the customs.